Well guys, I'm going to try one more time making my own hand sanitizer. I tried it to begin with using the aloe vera plant that I had here, 91% isopropyl alcohol, and putting it in here. And it worked okay, except I just about destroyed the poor old aloe vera plant. Let me show you that. While you're here, click the thumbs up and subscribe. It don't cost nothing, it's free. See what I mean? No more aloe vera than I was going to get out of my small plant. It wasn't worth it. I guess it needs to be a big aloe vera plant or a lot more or something, because it takes a lot of aloe to make hand sanitizer. More than I thought it would anyway. All the recipes that I've looked up call for aloe vera. So I ordered mine. You seen what I did to that poor plant. I realized I wasn't going to have enough aloe vera in there, because it needs 1/4 cup of aloe vera and 3/4 cup of alcohol, of 90% or more alcohol. So quarter cup of aloe vera, boy, this stuff is thick and sticky. Oh my god, it feels like snot when you're trying to cut it up. It feels just like a gob of snot. That's pretty darn close there. I had it figured I think I would make 2 batches out of that one. About 1/4 cup of aloe vera. I'm going to scrape it all out because it's so thick, and I mean it's really thick stuff, the aloe vera is. And you can see it in the bottom of my jar. 3/4 cup of alcohol. Boom, there it is. 3/4 cup of alcohol. I'm going to stir this up a little and try to make sure I get all the aloe vera that was left in there. I don't want to waste it since I had to buy the aloe vera. And stir. That's all there is to it. I just happen to have an empty Meyer soap container that's been cleaned out. I'm going to use this to put my hand sanitizer in. Make sure it's stirred really, really well. And that's basically it right there. Now you can add your own stuff to it, but if you add anything to it, like some essential oils, a lot of recipe calls for essential oils. I could add some 50% this with isopropyl alcohol that's got wintergreen in it, but I would have to add that much more of this to make sure I didn't weaken it. That's what you got to be careful of. You got to keep this. This is your base percentage right here. That's your base. That's supposed to be guaranteed to kill germs, viruses, bacteria, and all that stuff according to the recipes. But if you add anything to make it more, I add some colloidal silver to mine too. Maybe some of this to give it the wintergreen smell. But that's how I make. You can feel the aloe in it too. You can really feel it. Feels good. Appreciate you watching the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until we meet again, have a good day.